Hey guys, we're back with another video, and this time we're flying an RC bird that we got. And it's so bright out here. Alright, so my sister about to fly it. There it is flashing. Ah! Let me fly. You record. Here. Hurry up. Yeah, hold it like that. Alright, make sure and hold it in the air like this. Now come over here. Now look, hold it. Look guys, try to hold the camera at here. Oh, it got it is. Don't worry guys, I'm about to fly it out. Don't worry guys, I always have a plan to do this. The camera can't see. Doing a tree. Okay, guys, it got stuck in a tree. Look. That's the RC bird. Don't tell me it's about to get stuck in another tree. Hold on, I got it. All right, look, over there. No, not that tree. Whoops. And I hate going in this tree.
Yep, that's where I got fleas.
All right, now new video. Over there. Alright, now time to try again. Time to try again. It landed right on the trampoline.
I'm gonna try.
Like, alright. Alright, one more try. Well, not one more try. No, not that tree, not that tree! Robert! Don't come close to me. Don't come close to me or I'll kill you. Why did it hit me? Why did it hit you?
I'm gonna try.
Give me one more try, then you go.
What is wrong with you?
It's a red bug. Don't judge me.
Wait.
Hit Chloe. Hit Chloe. Alright, we aiming for Chloe, Droney. Let's test it out here because it's better out here. Oh, it's so much rain. So, that way the viewers can see. Hopefully.
My turn.
Wait. Can I go one more?
You keep saying one more.
I'm sorry, I just love it. Alright, let's go try one more time. What? Wrong, it didn't fly that high. Let me try. One more. There we go. I can't see it.
It's on the roof.
Oh no! Where is it?
Oh,
Oh, it's almost out.
I see it.
God, this thing flew. Can I see?
Yeah.
Hey guys, the drone here.
Maybe I can fly it out.
Look, there it is. There it is. Here you go. Hold it. Here you go. Hold the camera. No, I'm gonna climb up the tree and get it. Or see if I can at least shake it.
Oh shoot, I'm getting tired. I gotta sit down. Hey guys.
I'll put the controller right here. I'm gonna see if I can get it down.
Destiny, begging for destiny, destiny. And guys, I will get.
I can't find. Oh, I see it. I see it.
I will buy 4 shadow dragons, and I will give them to you.
No.
If you haven't.
I see it.
If you haven't already followed me, the name is UONCON8009.
Well, you know that stick I used?
Yeah,
Can you go get it real quick?
I'm holding the camera. You're supposed to do all the work.
I'm trying. I'm trying to get this bird. It's so real high in the air.
Skippy-loo, my doo-ba-doo. Skippity-loo, my doo. Like my socksies. Socks. I call them socks. Again, guys, just to be sure, I really don't like school. Like, I go there every single time, and most of the things I already know. Like, why should I be in school if I already know? So guys, oh y'all, here's this old-fashioned car. Look at it. Now this is the brand new vehicle, and it's so pretty. That's the ugly one, and that's the pretty one. Pretty.
I think I can shake this one.
Yo! Look at that fly! Let's step on these ants. Is that ice cream truck? Or are you screaming?
It's ice cream. We scream. We'll scream. Ice cream.
Oh wait.
I'm shaking the tree.
Oh wait.
No, turn the bird on.
Oh, where's I don't have the remote.
The controller right there.
Oh, guys, let's get the controller.
It fell out. Stop it.
We are seriously in the other people's yard. Ew, they got some crusty, musty doo-doo. Guys, he's stuck. Y'all, now's my chance to fly it. Y'all ready?
Just fly it, Chloe. Follow the camera. You better not fly that thing into the tree.
You bet I won't. Here you go.
I should have put it on pause. Guys, if you haven't seen, the bird just got stuck in the tree. Like it got stuck near the top. So I had to climb the tree and shake it. Like shake the entire tree. Just so I can get it down. Cause apparently
Salad.
it was bugs.
Stop it, extra.
Bugs. And then if you didn't see, it flew towards the top. Because look, y'all, this is my roof.
Buddy.
Wait. So it flew towards the top of the roof, then flew in the sky. Like it flew towards the top of the roof. Then it flew in front of the sun. I couldn't see it.
You ready?
Then when it finally got out, I saw it flying real high towards that tree. She's starting it up. Let's get the runway path right.
Oh, hey, Mom Bobber.
Get the run. Oh, you didn't even think to I should be flying it. Guys, let me pause this. I'm gonna put some ads. Okay. So the bird got stuck in the tree. And we about to fly it again. You better fly it right.
Is it dead?
Oh my goodness, it just went dead. Wait, no, you turned it off. Wait, did the bird die?
No, look.
It's not dead. If it
All right, let me see. Are y'all guys ready?
we
I think
can.
I'm about to crash.
There's the bird.
Huh?
There's the bird. There's the bird.
This is the bird. I'm not a bird.
There's the bird. You can do it. Fly. Ah! Worst test flight. Well, not the worst. That happened to me. Hey, stop! You crashed into it. Hold the camera real quick. This time I will throw it.
I never even got to throw it.
I will throw it and you will fly. Turn the engine on. Let me see. Guys, I'm gonna set it right here.
How about I? And later, y'all, we can do some flips on the trampoline.
I hope y'all can see. Come on. Come on, Chloe, get ready. Don't turn the engine
They
on.
can't see.
I'll tell you when to. Alright. They could probably see. Alright, now they can see. I'll tell you when. Alright. Turn it on!
Wait, I don't know.
Alright.
Worst test flight, Silas. Learn when to control it.
You controlling it! You didn't try to turn it! Oh, yeah! Can I try? I'll show you how. Look what I do. You better throw it right. Wait. Woohoo!
Oh, shoot.
What you want, bird? What you want? You want to piece of this? Come on. Give me. don't know if y'all can see. I'm gonna put it like this so y'all can see.
I'm gonna run from it, y'all. Y'all heard? It's gonna chase me.
Alright, we're gonna get the chase her. You better run now. Alright, ready.
You threw it at me.
Oh, jeez.
Throw it up. You gotta throw it up. Not at me.
Not it.
Oh no, you don't want to run.
Look, guys, watch this. I'm gonna throw it
The
now.
fly. Oh no, which way to run? I don't know which way to run. Ah, hey, bud. Hey.
This thing is more aerial.
I got some itch, and I'm a. Come on, bye. Who you messing with? I'm a bird.
We can do this at any time.
Oh shoot! Oh shoot! Oh shoot! I'm mad at me. Whoa! Come on, bird. Want a piece of me? I'm finna show you how to beat. Guys, you better move.
Alright, it's about to come towards y'all. Oh, it flew in my computer.
Try to step on a, B-U-G. That's spelled Bucka. Holy cracker, moly, freakadoly. Whoa. Oh, it just did a loop-de-loop. I'm going to get him. Got him, guys.
Throw it.
What? Oh yeah, and you guys,
Testing.
next video, we will show us catching flies.
You know, we're gonna do an experiment on bugs.
Yeah. So, comment below if you.
Show it!
Oh, okay.
The bird in the air!
No, it's not. Oh, look, guys.